Hello everyone, and welcome to MAHD English. Today, we're diving into a typical day in Sophia's life. Join us as we explore useful English words, expressions, and everyday language that comes up throughout her day. Let's get started. Hello, my name is Sophia. I'm 32 years old, married to Daniel, and I'm the mother of a sweet 7-year-old girl named Mia. Every morning, I start my day by preparing a healthy breakfast for my family. Mia loves toast with honey and fresh strawberries, so I always make sure to include that. After breakfast, I organize the house, do the daily cleaning, and make everything look tidy and comfortable. I enjoy keeping our home cozy and peaceful. My husband Daniel is a supportive and caring partner. He works during the day, but he always finds time to help at home and spend special moments with us. During the day, besides taking care of the house, I also reserve time for fun and educational activities with Mia. We enjoy reading short stories, drawing pictures, and playing learning games together. In the afternoon, I take Mia to school. While she is in class, I take the opportunity to go for a walk, do some shopping, and prepare ingredients for dinner. I love cooking, and I always try to bring new flavors and healthy meals to our table. At night, when Daniel and Mia come home, we gather for a family dinner. We talk about our day, share experiences, and enjoy our time together. For me, there is nothing more rewarding than seeing my daughter happy and healthy and knowing that I am contributing to her growth and well-being. My journey as a mother and homemaker can be challenging, but it is also deeply rewarding. Every smile, every hug, and Daniel's loving support fill my heart with joy. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this English story and learned something new. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep practicing your English every day. See you next time. Goodbye.